Hi guys, and welcome to today's intraday trade analysis video for the day. So today we have traded on Denmark. So I'll be telling you where we took the entry, exit and everything. So this is a trade what we have done according to my unique study and the strategy without any indicators. So in this video we'll be talking about today's trade and Nifty 50 analysis and index analysis, how the market has performed for the day. So now let's first talk about the today's trade what I have done, and also I'll be showing you the today's live market clip as well, how the stock has performed. So firstly, the stock what I traded today was Glenmark and it was a buy side trade. Okay, so it was a buy around 1240 in the morning around 9:30 a.m. Okay, so this was my buying range around 1240, and as you guys can see, once I bought the stock, you can see the 1240 became a very good support level for the day. Okay, so this is the range how the stock is held for the day, and then the stock has gone up completely, and today it has closed at 3 points up by gaining 36 points. So this was how the stock has performed for the day, and also the highest point what it has made for the day is 1272. But by following my study and the strategy and my trade discipline, I have kept my target up to 8 to 10 points by almost booking 1% of the stock price, and I have exited my trade. So this is how the stock performed for the day. And if you guys want to learn the concept of making consistent profit in intraday trading and want to learn to be an accurate trader, you can join my personal and unique intraday trading course today. So in my course, I'll teach you the simple skills to make consistent profit, no complicated things and no indicators. The main goal of my course is to make you as a profitable trader. And not only that, once you join, you get live market personal support as well, and the course prices are very reasonably priced. You can now message me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen to get in touch with me personally and to discuss with me about how you can be a profitable trader from today and to get the live market personal support from my side. Okay, so now let's talk about the Nifty 50 analysis for the day and how it has performed. So today the opening was minus 0.07%. So it has opened in a flattish way. Advanced stocks were 24, decline stocks were 18, and unchanged is 8 stocks. And after that, you can see here the market has gradually gone up. Okay, so the highest point what the Nifty 50 has made today is around 24,164, and the market has closed at 0.55% up by gaining 131 points. So today the market overall was in an upper side and is a bullish side. So let's look at the sectoral indices, how they have performed for the day. So all the indices are almost closing in a green side today. That means all the indices were bullish and they have gained for the day. But there are two indices which are closed in a bearish side, that is declining side, that is Nifty PSU Bank with minus 0.76% down and Nifty Reality with minus 0.33% down, and all the other indices have gained up, and Nifty Media has gained 2.42% up today, and Nifty ITI also has gained 1.97% up today. So this was how the main sectoral indices has been performed for the day. So overall, this is the Nifty 50 momentum and how the market has performed for the day. Okay, and today's trade was Grasim, and I've shown you already how the trade has been performed. So if you guys want to learn from me to get a good trades and to select a good stock and to be a safe and profitable trader, you can join us today and contact me today by messaging me on the WhatsApp number displayed on the screen. So I thank you guys so much for watching this video. Have a good day. I'll see you in the next one very soon.